So, my dear children, I am going to teach you the second language English for 9th standard. The poem Justice. So, written by Praveen Kumar. The poem Justice is written by Praveen Kumar. First, we have to know the meaning of new words or difficult words. So then only we are able to understand the poem very easily. Now I am going to introduce some new words which we can find when we come across the poem. Begotten. Begotten means God earned. Earned means ಪಡೆದದ್ದು ಅಥವಾ ಗಳಿಸಿದ್ದು ಎನ್ನುವ ಅರ್ಥವನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸಿಂಗ್ ಗೈನ್. Distressing gain, dishonestly obtained profit. Okay, profit. ಸೊ ಅನ್ಯಾಯದಿಂದ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿರುವ ಲಾಭ, ಅನ್ಯಾಯದಿಂದ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸಿಂಗ್ ಗೇನ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಕರಿತೇವೆ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲಾಯ್ಟೆಡ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಅನರ್ಥಡ್. ಅನರ್ಥಡ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಶೋಷಿಸು, ಶೋಷಣೆ ಮಾಡು. ಚಾರ್ಮ್, ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್. ಶೇಕಲ್ಡ್, ಶೇಕಲ್ಡ್. ಶೇಕಲ್ಡ್, ಚೈನ್. Fished out, means drew or pulled out from. ಎಳೆದದ್ದು, ಹೊರಗೆ ಎಳೆದದ್ದು. Sack means a large bag. Lair, a resting place, ವಾಸಸ್ಥಾನ. Dash, race, ಒಂದು ಜನಾಂಗ. Okay, have you understood the meaning of the new words? But now, come to the author who wrote this poem. We have to know about him. Okay, now I am going to introduce the poet Praveen Kumar. Praveen Kumar, a bilingual poet born in Mangaluru on June 29 of 1949 to Sri R.D. Suvarna and Srimati B. Sarojini, has more than 3 decades of government service as a senior police officer, a poet of 23 published collections and an author of 5 volumes on matters of governance and administration. He is a familiar face in Indian intellectual circuits. He presently lives in Bangalore with his family. Stemming from his varied academic background are the lively, far-reaching interests that have impelled him to write in subjects as diverse as matters of public interest and poetry, striking a perfect balance between the pursuance of vocation and avocation. He has been a regular contributor to many national dailies, periodicals, and journals. His articles have been extremely popular and often sensational by their innovative and unorthodox thoughts. His published works include Policing for the New Age, Policing the Police, Indian Police and Inside Indian in Prose, and Unknown Origins, Portraits of Passion, Simply Yours, Love and Fright, Shobha Priya, Golden Wonder, and Celestial Glow in Poetry. His published works in Kannada are Divya Belaku, Bhavana, Priya Chaitra Tapaswini, Ananya Priya Lavanya, Priya Geetegalu, and Tapaswini. So, these are his important works. Now, come to the poem. Before that, I am going to read a passage. Now, so listen to me. A child playing on the street was hit by a speeding vehicle. The child was lying in a pool of blood. It was shifted to a hospital. The doctors who examined the child told its parents that the child needed immediate blood transfusion and they must arrange for 4 bottles of blood immediately. The eager parents offered good money for buying blood. Many young men did give blood, but none accepted the money offered. They bluntly told the parents that blood could not be bought with money and that it should be donated by one person to another. So here, make a list of things and obligations that cannot be bought with money. You will have to list the things that cannot be bought with money. ನಾವು ಹಣದಿಂದ ಕೊಳ್ಳಲು ಆಗದಲ್ಲೇ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಟ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ. Please tell me. Yes, kindness, friendship, truth, joy, sorrow, yes, helpfulness, cooperation, tolerance, beauty, justice, love, health. So we cannot buy all these things with money. Okay? Now, come to the poem. Open your textbook. Now I am going to recite the poem. So, we'll have to enjoy the poem. We'll have to enjoy the poem. Okay? Justice. Justice begotten in exchange is no justice. For exchange is trade. A distressing gain through loss. Justice is inherent right. Though wrapped in black packs, in dark all of race for survival, like old strays bound in mud, still exploited. She is cool like ice and still like rock. No easy road to charm her soul, while hardship makes her no more justice. No more justice. Why justice is shackled to greed and pride? Why justice is fished out from popular mood, lost in thick jungle of lightless night, like rat caught in the sack of death, like deer caught in lion's lair. She never reaches self by herself, justice with no heart for truth. justice with no dash for right cause is justice dead in me. Is justice dead in me. Okay? Have you enjoyed the poem? Okay. Now, let us understand the poem. Let us understand the poem. So let us understand the poem. Okay, have you enjoyed the poem? Now try to understand the poem. What Praveen Kumar is going to tell about justice in this poem? Yes. In this poem, the author, the poet Praveen Kumar says, if we get justice, if we get justice in exchanging anything, it is not at all a justice. So what does he say? If we get justice in exchanging of anything, it is not at all a justice. ನಾವು ಯಾವುದಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ವಸ್ತುವನ್ನು ಕೊಡುವುದರ ಮೂಲಕ ನಾವು ನ್ಯಾಯವನ್ನು ಪಡೆದದ್ದೇ ಆದರೆ ಅದು ನ್ಯಾಯವೇ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಎ ಜಸ್ಟಿಸ್. ಇಟ್ ಕುಡ್ ಬಿ ಎ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಆರ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್. If we get justice by giving something, it is a trade. It is a trade. It could be a trade or business. If we get justice in dishonest way, if we get justice dishonestly, it is not gain, it is loss. Even we get justice in a dishonest way, it is not a gain, it is loss. ನಾವು ಅಪ್ರಾಮಾಣಿಕವಾಗಿ ನ್ಯಾಯವನ್ನು ಪಡೆದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಅದು ನ್ಯಾಯ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ನಷ್ಟನೇ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ loss. Everyone should get justice. That is their right. That is their right. So the poet says, justice is inherent right. Justice is inherent right. If the justice is covered in black packs and kept it in a dark olive race for survival, the Praveen Kumar says, if the justice is covered in black packs and kept it in a dark place, dark olive race for survival, it seems to be like golden strips bound in mud. Golden strips bound in mud. It should not be easy to get it. We cannot get justice very easily. There is no shortcut to get justice. Again says, if it gets, that is by exploitation. Yes. It should not be easy to get justice. There is no shortcut to get justice. The poet says about justice, justice is cool like ice. Justice is cool like ice, still like rock. Still like rock. So according to the author, if we suffer a lot to get it, if we suffer a lot to get justice, it is not at all a justice. Not at all a justice. So he is asking that why justice is chained to bad desire and corruption. Why justice is chained to desire and corruption. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ದಿನಮಾನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಲಂಚವನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಭ್ರಷ್ಟಾಚಾರವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ ನ್ಯಾಯವನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತೇವೆ. Why it feels like fish out of water? Why it feels, justice feels like fish out of water? Why justice feels it is lost in lightless jungle at night? It feels it is lost in lightless jungle at night. So its condition is similar to that of a rat. So the poet compares the justice to a rat caught in the sack of death. What does the poet compare the justice to? The poet compares the justice to a rat caught in the sack of death, and deer caught in the lion's mouth. The deer caught in lion's mouth. ಕವಿ ಮರಣದ ಚೀಲದಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಇಲಿಗೆ ನ್ಯಾಯವನ್ನು ಹೋಲಿಸ್ತಾನೆ, ಸಿಂಹದ ಬಾಯಿಯಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಜಿಂಕೆಗೆ ನ್ಯಾಯವನ್ನ ಹೋಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. The poet compares the justice to a rat caught in the sack of death and a deer caught in lion's mouth. It never reaches by itself. It has no ought for truth and no race for right reason. So it is not at all living, it is dead indeed. Justice is dead indeed. So I hope you have understood the point. Now I am going to ask you some questions. When is justice reduced to trade? When is justice reduced to trade? Yes. When justice is exchanged for something, it is reduced to trade. When justice is exchanged for something, it is reduced to trade. Reduced to trade. When justice is exchanged for something, it is reduced to trade. So next question. What is the poet's concern about justice expressed in the line, a distressing gain through loss? A distressing gain through loss. Yes, justice is all people's inherent right or natural right. Justice is all people's inherent right. If it is gained through dishonest way, yes, if it is gained through dishonest way, it is not at all a justice. Really, it is loss. It is not at all profit. Really, it is loss. Justice is all people's right. All people's right. If it is gained through dishonest way, really it is loss. Really, it is loss. If we get justice in a dishonest way, it is not at all a justice. It is not at all profit. Really, it is loss. Really, it is loss. Next question. What kind of right is justice? What kind of right is justice? Yes, justice is inherent right. Justice is inherent right. Justice is inherent. Justice is inherent right. What kind of justice is debt according to the poet? What kind of justice is debt? Yes. So justice is debt when it is used for wrong cause. Justice is debt when it is used for wrong cause, according to the poet. Justice is debt justice is debt when it is used for wrong, cause, according to the poet. What the present, sorry, how does the poet describe justice? How does the poet describe justice? Yes, the poet described justice is cool like ice, still like rock. There is no easy road to get attract or to get justice. There is no shortcut to get justice. There is no shortcut to get justice. Yes. The poet described justice is cool like ice. Cool like ice. Still like rock. Rock. There is no shortcut to get justice. No shortcut to get shortcut to justice. Okay, you have answered all the questions well. Now I am going to give you some questions for your home assignment. Okay? So take down. When is justice reduced to trade? When is justice reduced to trade? Second question. What kind of a justice? What kind of a right is justice? Justice. What kind of justice is judge? Is that according to the poet? According to the poet. How does the poet describe justice? How does the poet describe justice? So take down all these questions. So read the poem and try to answer all these questions in your own and submit it in the next class. Okay. Thank you.